This is Akshay. Today I am going to tell you some words and their important meanings. You might use them in your regular life. Okay, let's get started. Coming to the first one, yawn. Yawn. Open one's mouth wide and inhale deeply due to tiredness. In Telugu, we call it Avinchuta. I yawn now and then. Coming to the next one, sneeze. Make a sudden involuntary expulsion of air from the nose and mouth due to irritation of one's nostrils. In Telugu means tummuta. I sneeze when I get cold. Don't sneeze in the public places nowadays because of corona. If you sneeze, your droplets may spread corona. Coming to the next one, snore. Grunting sound in a person's breathing while they are sleeping. In Telugu, we call it gurka pettuta. My grandpa snores in the nights. Coming to the next one, belch. The noise which comes from our stomach through our mouth in a noisy sound. In Telugu, we call it tremputa. He belched after eating a lot. Coming to the next one, nap. Light or brief sleeps. I nap in the classroom without the teacher seeing me. In Telugu, we call it kunuku tiyuta. Coming to the next one, gulp. Swallow food or drink quickly. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more videos. Thanks. Thank you.